This is going to be a case that changes the way that our competitors make their products. And I think that various evolutions of this are going to be the default standard in case design for the next decade. I think Manny is one of our best mechanical engineers that we've ever had. He's a designer with vision and an engineer with vision. And then I think Mitch is one of the most plugged into what the audience actually will care about.
To function well, it's got to cool the components right, but it also has to speak to the user. It's the centerpiece of your whole digital world. That is a huge responsibility.
I was staring at my computer case, and as I'm staring at it, you just see all of the fans are like dumping air right into the GPU, right? And then I have my radiator top mounted, and I'm like, okay, you know, all that heat is just going straight into the radiator. All that hot air is just dumping right into your kind of critical components.
Why hasn't this been addressed? Most people would think like, why are you putting too much time into it? Like, no one cares. Like, but for us, we do care. Like, we're passionate about it. We love what we do, and if anyone's going to make it happen, it's going to be us.
You're currently looking at the new forefront of case design. The world's first triple chamber chassis. Unlike anything on the market, leveraging rarely seen ducting and a revolution in cable management possibilities to bring about the single biggest leap in cooling performance without requiring a single extra volt or component, all housed in the rounded glass appearance of our most sophisticated ever design. The main chamber houses the GPU and the motherboard between two air ducts, sculpted over the top and bottom mounted fan arrays, accelerating the airflow without needing high fan speeds. That means powerful, near silent cooling thanks to the case alone. Second, you'll find a dedicated AIO chamber to completely separate a 360mm radiator and all the heat associated with cooling the CPU away from the main chamber, allowing each to perform their function more efficiently. And finally, the PSU, cables and storage see their own chamber, completed with dedicated intake and exhaust locations as well. It's the most comprehensive performance system in any case of its kind. On the outside, you'll have all the glass you ever wanted, shaped in wraparound curves across the front and back of the chassis, offering a truly unique and unobstructed view of the hardware from any angle. The panels even hinge open, giving you access to your components and a showcase for the clean aesthetics that a case made for reverse connection motherboards provides. And all that made perfect by a revolution in cable management possibility. With the new Rapid Route 2.0 system facilitating totally custom cable tie-down locations. The Air 5400 is truly unmatched on all fronts.
There was some fear when we first had the first samples and we did our own internal validations tests.
You know, it's a busy market. There's a lot of competitors that make really good products.
Yeah, I think the kind of first time that I thought like, oh, this is it, when we opened up the EVT0 and we put it up, that was when we kind of knew, okay, like this is definitely different, this is definitely new.
Like we knew it was going to perform well, like it had to, right? Because you dumped the heat out, but we didn't realize how well it would perform. And we were really excited that it actually performed much better than we all thought.
4 or 5 degrees difference on the GPU and 10 degrees difference on the CPU against a standard ATX case, like that's a massive difference. That 4C is going to turn into frame rate. All of these cards, they will just overclock themselves until it reaches the thermal maximum. And so by us giving you more thermal headroom, we're actually giving you more frame rate.
We saw that the CPU heat was completely unaffected by the GPU load, which is not a situation you see in a standard orientation chassis. You're going to have a quieter PC that is running at cooler temperatures than you would in a standard orientation case.
I think it just gives more life to the components that you already have.
Without hyperbole or without exaggeration, I can say that the Air 5400 is, the evolution of one of my favorite cases of all time, and probably the case I've been most personally excited about in the last 10 years.